It's the first of the Burr month, and we welcome September with great and joyful delight. We bid adieu to August in high spirits as men and women went through Victory Weekend and experienced true freedom in Christ. September kicks in with thunderous praises for our faithful and magnificent God on our worship night. Let's stomp our feet away, clap with all we've got, and get lost in His presence this Thursday, September 5. It's the last week for the Youth Service Encounter series. Make a change that matters. Experience the encounter that will change your life. So whatever the weather, don't be left out and make these encounters every Friday at 7 p.m. The kids' ministry are not to be left behind as they got together last August 26 for a wonderful bonding time and are now geared up more than ever to reach the next generation. We are also inviting you to the Kids Church General Assembly this September 7, 1 to 3 p.m. at the Victory Main Hall. Together, let us win every child for Christ and change this world. And as we go on to this brand new month, we'd like to share life, conversations, and perhaps a cup of coffee or tea with you. Sign up at the Get Connected booth and share friendships and experiences with us. All of these as we honor God and make disciples.